All right, it's triple time. Send it.
44.9.
Man, it does the triple beautifully.
41.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're gonna go for a brand new build of short course truck, SCT 4x4. This is the brand new SCT410 2.0. I've just built it. It's a little shady in here, but I just wanted to give you a view of what it looks like. It's this is the newest TEKNO short course truck available. Black anodized chassis, big beefy arms. It's hard to see in the glare. The one thing I did add was this giant heatsink on the motor. It's an ARMA heatsink. I got a 4300 kV motor. I've moved over the XR8 SCT speed control, and this runs the 13mm shocks with the 17mm springs. And yeah, so we're gonna see how it runs. First time out today at Crestwood RC Raceway. We're gonna try a short course truck for the first time. See how it goes. All right, let's go try this new short course truck for the first time.
153.7.
Okay, I think we're going to close the track here in about 5 minutes. Track will be closed in 5 minutes.
Now let me at least try it. I want to at least try it.
Nathan Glover.
Whoa, man, it flies better. It flies better than the old trucks, that's for sure.
55.1. 35.6. 44.7.
Whoa. First crash, new truck.
49.8. 44.9.
Man, it does the triple beautifully.
41.9.
Way better than the old truck.
52.3. 35.8.
All right, worked. That's good. Good first test. All right, we just ran first qualifiers. I went out with the truck with the Eve truggies. I didn't record it, but I didn't even get one lap in. I hit the middle double really poorly. Whoa! A full hard body shell landing, and all 4 body pins ripped out of the shell because that's a reused shell. So now, since fiberglass taped it from the bottom, body washers on top, fiberglass taped it from the rear, and then grill tape clear on top. We'll see if it holds through Q2. Crestwood RC Raceway, we're on lunch break right now. We finished up both our quals with body washers on the front and just tape and reinforcements on the rear, and they held. And I got through that qual, but I'm running with E-truggies, and this has half the power. It's also, you know, fully bodied. I wasn't able to do the triple. I wasn't able to do the big double because trying, you would end up just endoing and then not having enough throttle and air control to recover. So it's not the most exciting thing to watch. I'm questioning if I want to even record the mains that are coming up, but I will, and we'll just see how it goes. But it's not, I'm telling you right now, it's not the most exciting thing to watch. We'll see how it goes with the first debut of the TEKNO SCT 410 2.0. It's you know, it's holding up fine. It drives fine. It does have better air control than the old truck. Here's not ideal to test that because the track is so loose and loamy. I don't have a lot of traction for the launch of the ramps, so you get a lot of wheel spin, kicking out a lot. Anyway, we'll see how we do in this main against some E-truggies. Okay, this is Truggy B main. I'm going to go out in the short course truck, the SCT 410 2.0. I've got the camera underslung because there's a roof here that's going to get in your view if I run on top of my head. So it's likely I'm going to miss some of the corners because I have to remember to pivot my body.
And the #1 spot is right down here where Raymond is in the yellow shirt.
yeah, this is the brand new TEKNO SCT410 2.0. I've ran 3 qualifiers with it. This is the mains. I believe I'm starting in 4th position in the B. And the truck's been running well, but obviously I'm with Truggies, which have twice the power, twice the tire.
So Ashlyn or Owen checked in.
So I'm at a big disadvantage here, but I'm going to show you my first race ever with my
just to make sure
new short course, just for fun anyway.
But to each their own. This is an 8-minute for the B main. 8-minute B main. Okay. Top 2 go to the A main, which is race number 7. You have lots of time to charge your batteries. Marshall's ready. Driver's ready. On the tone. Take it easy. Give yourself space. There's only 5 years on the track and 2 years get to move on. I need a marshal on the north side of the track. Wow, we got all kinds of action going on over there. All right, it looks like Jim Rogers is leading the pack, I believe, in the red and blue truggy. Kind of red, I don't know, orange. Oh boy, I need a marshal in the front. Oh, Jim gets it wrong, goes into the Reds racing sign.
Go ahead, go ahead.
They are on the charge.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Brad, isn't it? Brad Claus leading the pack. Brad Hunter, the battle of the Brads. Jim in the 3rd. John in the 4, Kevin in the 5. Oh, nice corner by Brad Claus. Going over our 3rd lane double-double. All right, transitioning into a center double to the single. Away he goes. Brad Claus, 1:16 in, 6:45 to go, drivers.
There's being extra.
Brad's driving the turquoise and gray with
the rear body mounts just let go.
Truck's looking real good. Jumping real nice on the front lane single. Just takes it easy on the north side double, which isn't a bad choice. When you're up in the lead, you don't need to push it hard. You just got to get it around the track. And then we got Jim Rogers now up into the 2nd spot. I believe it's Brad Hunter in the green TLR in the 3rd spot. And those guys are battling it out. We got Jim and Brad coming 2nd lane. Coming into our corner table, Reds racing. Jim keeping Brad at bay. Brad's on it. Oh, and Brad's got an issue. And he lost some power. I'm not sure what happened there, but that's going to help Jim out considerably. See if you can get it going, Brad. Get it back in the race. 2.5 in, drivers. 2.5 in, 5.5 to go. We've only got 4 left on the track, and 2 of you are going to get yourselves into a free race. So Brad's just got to take it easy, and Jim's just got to take it easy, and then they can get into some real action when they make it into the A main E truggy race, which is race number 7 today.
Not a good pace with this truggy, but it's hard to pass him.
It's always the way. We got 15 marshals and 4 cars on the track, isn't it? We got John and Kevin battling out. Our one sole SCT today. So we only have a couple SCT trucks. We left them running with the E-Truggies if that's what they want to do. So Kevin wanted to bust out his, I believe it's a TEKNO. He wanted to give his truck a try.
Yeah, new truck.
So they work good in the E-Truggy class. 4:15 to go, drivers, 4:15. I got Brad in the 1. Jim Rogers showing here 1.5 seconds behind in the number 2. We got Kevin Nickel in the number 3. John Kennedy in the number 4.
Oh, we lost the truck. That's why I'm in 4. All right, got ahead of him. He crashed on the triple. Currently now 3rd in the B.
All right, Jim Rogers takes over the lead.
Right
So
on,
we
Jim.
got Brad and Jim very close on the back stretch down past the A-Main Hobby signs. Way to go. Brad gets it wrong. He's going to need a little help. And Jim gets it wrong, and he's going to need some help. So we're going to see what happens here. These guys are trying to get around the track as best they can here. This will give them a nice little warm-up before they get into the big show. They've got 3 minutes left in this race. So we got Jim, Brad, John, and Kevin. Top three are going to get the top winner of this main will get a plaque. Second place of this race will get a prize. And the third place will get a prize when we do the podium presentation. So we got Jim coming into our second lane double, looking real nice in his, I'm not sure what he's driving, but it's a nice looking body there with the orange and blue, white tire, black wing. Brad Claus is looking good in his turquoise and gray. 2.5 drivers, 2.5.
2.5 minutes to go. You know, it flies better with the rear body loose.
Okay, things are starting to tighten up here a little bit. Give that, give them two drivers a little leeway. Get Brad on the way. There we go.
Can't see through that.
Because Brad and Jim aren't that far apart. It's showing on my computer about 4 seconds here. And they still have just under 2 minutes left in this race. So let's see what happens between Brad and Jim. Brad's been running fairly cleanly. We'll see if he ends up reeling in Jim here. They've been back and forth a little bit earlier in the race.
Oh, there's a big kicker there.
One bobble can cost you, that's for certain. 1:30 to go, drivers. 1:30. Jim, Brad,
Certainly
John,
there's a spot in
and
that double
Kevin.
that just is unrecoverable if you hit it. Safer to go to the outside.
Oh, Brad takes a tumble. Gonna need a marshal. So that's gonna give Jim lots of space. Guys have 1 minute and 15 to finish it up. Jim hits the loop and turns off a 39.1. Brad hits it in the second place and had a little bit of a trouble that time, a 41.8. They've got less than a minute to go. They're both going to get around, I believe, for another lap, and then they'll just do one more to race to the line. I know, yes, they will both get around. They'll both get one more lap once they hit the loop here. Okay, Jim's on his last lap. There's only 21 seconds left in this one, and there goes Brad. So now these guys just got to finish it out to clinch their 1 and 2 place positions. John with the 3 and Kevin in the 4.
6, 5, 4.
Oh, I'm going to get
3,
clipped at the line, but that's
2,
going to secure my third
1.
place finish. All right, come on.
All right, and Kevin, you didn't make the loop. Kevin, you are done.
All right, that means I'm done too.
Kevin and John are done. We're just
All
waiting
right.
for Jim and
We got
Brad
a
to
podium
finish up,
in the
hit the line
B-main.
to get their first and second
The
place
very
position.
first run of the TEKNO
And here they come.
SCT410 2.0.
Very nice,
Nice
Jim.
finish, Jim. Did you get that first?
And
Yeah. Jim with the S-Works Truggy.
And
Gets the bump to the A. Good job, Jim.
I think Owen was driving it. Doesn't matter. So I take it you both want the bump?
Oh yeah.
You taking the bump? I don't think those Claus brothers, they don't want the bump, do they? Good job, guys. Good job.
Finally got a second.
Good for you, Owen. Good for you.
My truggy.
All right, the SCT finished its first race. If you enjoyed that video, hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe. You want to talk, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. We got a podium finish. First race ever. It's a B, but I'll take it. This is halfway through Nitro Truggy A, main. Whoa, he went for the triple. With an air brake with his body down, up. Oh, a pirouette in the back. Oh, look at the cluster back here. Oh my goodness. Alright, this is going to be a pretty cool run through the triple.
The leader is the gray car with the yellow wheels.
Alright, it's triple time. Send it!